In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best TIG welding machines available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the TIG welding machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the TIG welding machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ARCCAPTAIN MIG-130A Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN MIG-130A is a versatile 3-in-1 IGBT inverter welder supporting MIG, MMA stick, and lift TIG welding. Compact and lightweight at just 6.2 kilograms, it's perfect for home projects and light fabrication. With flux-core MIG support and 110V operation, it's convenient for beginners and DIY users. The semi-automatic design ensures smooth, consistent welds, while its durable build and FCC certification provide safe, reliable performance for multiple welding tasks. Number 4, Bestarc MIG-145 Digital Welder. The Bestarc MIG-145 offers a 3-in-1 design with MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities. Its digital screen makes it easy to adjust settings accurately, while the 145 amp output provides enough power for a range of materials. Gas and gasless MIG compatibility increases flexibility for different projects. Built for single-phase 220V operation, this welder is ideal for workshops and repair tasks, combining performance, precision, and portability for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 3, HZXVOGEN HVM276-in-1 Welder. The HZXVOGEN HVM270 is a powerful 270A welding solution combining 6 processes: cut, gas MIG, gasless MIG, HFTIG, MMA, and more. Its digital interface allows quick mode changes and accurate parameter adjustments, while the 2T/4T function provides welding control for complex jobs. Built to handle stainless steel and aluminum, it's suitable for automotive, fabrication, and repair work. With its durable construction, CE certification, and wide amperage range, it's a true all-in-one professional-grade machine. Number 2, ANDELI MIG-253-in-1 Welder. The ANDELI MIG-250 is a compact, high-performance welding machine offering MIG, MMA, and lift TIG in one unit. Its inverter design ensures energy efficiency and stable arcs. Supporting both 110V and 220V input, it's perfect for shops and field work. With flux-cored wire support and a fast wire feeding speed of up to 18 m/min, it can handle various metals easily. Lightweight yet powerful, it's designed for professionals and advanced hobbyists seeking reliability and portability in a single machine. Number 1, HITBOX HBT250P AC DC TIG Welder. The HITBOX HBT250P is a premium TIG welding machine with AC, DC capability, making it ideal for aluminum and stainless steel welding. Featuring precise digital pulse control, MMA, and arc support, and 2T/4T modes, it delivers exceptional welding accuracy for demanding projects. Its HFTIG start ensures smooth, clean arcs, while advanced controls provide flexibility for professional fabricators. Built with quality components and CE certification, it's a top choice for anyone seeking high-end TIG performance.